Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to a bank account. So to get started with a straight and easy guide on how you can simply send money from Revolut to bank account. So the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to open your Revolut app, then unlock the app. From there, go to the transfer or payment tab. Then on a step 2, tap on send or new. Usually found has a plus button at the top right. Then from there, you have to move to your step 3, which is to choose the bank recipient. So select add a bank recipient if it's your first time. Then on step 4, you have to enter the bank details, which is in a domestic name, the account number, the sort code, or the international name, or the IBAN, the SWIFT on the VIC. It depends on the type of country you're sending the money to. Then on the step 5, you have to input or enter the amount and the currency. So type the amount and pick the currency. It could be GPB, EUR, or USD. Then on the step 6, you have to review the exchange rate and the fee. So Revolut shows you the rate and any fee before sending. So once you are okay with that, tap on send, then confirm everything and send the money. And that's how you can simply send money from Revolut to bank account. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.